Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Trust you're good and you're doing fine. Okay, so it's a beautiful is it beautiful? Yes, it's a beautiful day that the Lord has made. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's really cloudy today. In fact, it's rained this morning. Okay, it's currently past 11, almost 11:30, and I have a bridal shower to attend. You guys, today is Chuchu's bridal shower. Chudima. Okay, I know you guys don't know Chuchu, but Chuchu is my her name is Chudima, okay? Chudi for short, but we call her Chuchu, okay? She's my bride to be. My bride to be, really. Anyways, Nora Beauty's bride to be. Nora Beauty's bride, what am I saying? Her wedding is coming up pretty soon, and we are handling the glam, okay? We are the glam team at Nora Beauty Nora Beauty on Instagram. If you don't already know, I'm a hairstylist and a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Book me. That's all I'm trying to say. Book me. I'm very good at my craft, okay? Plus, I'm really affordable. Try me out. A trial will convince you, okay? Aside her being my client, she's family, okay? Not by blood, okay? But you know those amazing persons that you can't help but to make them family, okay? Even though I feel like she's more like a sister to my other sister that she is to me. But it's okay. I'm not jealous. She's still family, okay? Chuchu, if you're watching this, do better. Be closer to me than my sister. It's a God, okay? You guys, I know an intro. On this channel, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Okay, yeah. Today is a bridal shower, surprise bridal shower. It must be a surprise. Okay, nothing must flop it in the name of Jesus. It's currently past 11, like I said before, almost 11:30. I'm just going to quickly make pepper talking and be out of the way and be out of this house. I feel like at this point, if you invite me for your party, I'm going to be coming along with Pepe Talkie because I don't understand what's going on between me and Pepe Talkie at this point. I love Isha. It's okay. So yeah, I'm going to just quickly get ready. There's going to be a session in her shower today where I'll quickly do her makeup. Okay, so I'll be going with my makeup stuffs as well. I'll be going with my I'm going with my my tools, like my makeup box and all. So yeah, you guys, let's quickly go and make a better kit together and be out of this house because I have to be there by max 12:30, max to 1. Okay, yeah, let's go, you guys. Let's go, guys. Excuse my hair, I know it's old, okay, but I'll be going to reknot it on Monday. It's Tuesday. Yeah, in a few days I'm going to reknot it, so it's going to be looking fresher than ever, okay? Because this body is still looking fine, like the body is still looking fine, but it's just the roots that are old, and I need to do something about it because I love it so much that I'm not ready to take it out. I'm going to reknot it and I'll have it in for like 1 more month before I'll think about taking it off. So let me quickly do a run through of how I make this pepper turkey for you guys, okay? I marinated this turkey overnight and I did that with some onions, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, not chicken stock cube. What else was there? Rosemary, thyme and curry. Okay, and I just mixed that in, and some salt, of course, and I mixed that in and left it in the freezer till the next morning. Okay, and I just like turned it into the pot and let it cook on low heat without extra water for 2 minutes before I then added some water, as you guys just saw me added. So I left it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, if you marinate your chicken or your protein, it tends to cook a lot faster than if you just cook it like that without marinating. Okay, so this is it 15 minutes later, all soft and yummy and looking nice to eat. Okay,
And up on the horizon, I lose track of time. Yeah, I move fast and climb a new class to find. Yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move.
so I tossed them into hot oil and let them fry for a while. I brought them out and I made a pepper mix, a pepper sauce using groundnut oil. I did fry a bit of onions and then I added blended peppers. I think I used 3 species of pepper, that is atarodo, shombo, and what's the other one, tatashi. In English I think it's scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, and cayenne pepper, and then also bell pepper. I just made a mixture of that and added a bit of nut chicken. Then I added the turkey and gave it a good stir. I'm done wrapping it up, you guys. Let's go have fun. You guys, look who's ready. And late, me. You guys, it's currently 1 and I'm still in this house. But good thing, Chuchu's house is like 8 minutes, 10 minutes, max 12 minutes away from here. And my ride is like 4 minutes to this place. I'm going to run out of this place, you guys. I'm so late. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. She's recording. Singing straight, never stop, never change. And I've got some hi.
For item 7, we had this yummy small chop, some candies. That's for people who eat candy. I don't. Cake. You guys, it's funny how I'm not a cake fan. I don't like cake, but yeah, we have cake and the pepper turkey, of course, and then some more cupcakes. What do you have to say? Oh, yeah, take my. Yes, we are. Oshe, come on. So the bride did change into this beautiful bridal shower dress in her favorite color. You guys, I'm so sorry, I didn't know that this thing was recording in time lapse. Okay, and this was just when they were having games, I think quiz as well. I'm not very sure because I was busy doing the bride's to be's makeup. Okay, I'm here So you guys, what's a bridal shower without a tissue paper wedding dress competition? Of course we had one, and it was between team A and B. You guys, I'm so sorry that team B is out of focus. I didn't set this camera. Okay, as I said before, you can side me over there dressing the bride. But yeah, team A won, by the way.
Tired eyes need a cup.
Alright. Let me video though. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you!
Shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every